Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy summer. I hope you guys are staying cool. It is so hot here in my city. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have been in triple digits for the last few weeks. These are record-breaking numbers and it has been crazy, crazy hot. I hope you guys are staying cool. And I am coming to you guys today with the video of a refresh just to decorate with me. I'm having the blues these days. So, and in a good way, I'm just feeling really inspired to bring in soft colors and just to brighten up my day. And when you come into the home, just make it light and airy and cheery. So I am going with shades of blue in the family room. So that's what I've done on today's video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. It really, really helps me out. And also like the video. Just go ahead and do it really quick before you forget. That really helps my channel as well. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, you guys, so I'm just starting off with wiping down the tables, getting everything all nice and clean. I'm having a little toddler. I find so many smudges and little fingerprints all over the glass and little crumbs everywhere, because her little cute self is always snacking in the family room, although that is against the rules. Well, however, I am just cleaning the area just to make sure I have a nice base to start off with as usual. And also I am gonna fluff these pillows. We use our family room as a relaxation spot. You know, we kick our feet up on the couch. We watch television in this room and just kind of hang out. So we spend a lot of time in the family room. So I want to let my family enjoy the space just however they please and be comfortable, right? So the pillows often need to be fluffed. So I'm just getting all that done. These are some really cute wall plaques that I picked up from Ross. A while back it came with a set of 3 and they were a really metallic gold looking color, and I spray painted them like a champagne color just to tone down the gold, because that is the gold color that I have going on in my house, like more of a toned down gold color. So these vases I got from Home Goods, and I haven't brought them out in a while, but you guys have probably seen these in past videos. This vase I got from Home Goods as well, and I picked up these pillows. So super cute. Loved the details on the side. Nice little fringe balls on the side I thought were so super cute, and I love the blue color, just really soft and delicate and feminine. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you will notice by now that I like soft colors. I will switch it up and put some bold colors, you know, for certain seasons and things like that, but I always seem to gear towards softer colors. So I really, really love this pretty baby blue. Slate blue is another color I'm going to be using in the space. And I'm just going to put a few decorative items throughout the space. And one thing I forgot to mention at the top of this video, you might have noticed that I did take the love seat out of the family room. And this is the first time that I've done that. So this is my first video without the love seat in the family room. I brought in these 2 wingback chairs from my former living room. I wanted to change up the look, and also I wanted to get some use out of these chairs. I really love these chairs, and it's just, you know, sitting in them gives your body so much more support. And I didn't realize how nice that is, you know, when you're watching television or just conversing with folks in the space, sitting straight up and having that back support. So love them in the space. You know, the color went really well with everything. So I think this was a great idea. So I also brought this painting from the formal living room as well, which worked out perfect. So those beige taupes and shades of champagne gold and baby blue, slate blue, it all came together really nice. So I decided to add in these two little nesting tables in between the chairs to add another visual point and to stack some coasters and a little plant on. So I went ahead and did that, and also swiped out the pillows in the chairs for some lumbar taupe color pillows. So thank you so much for tuning into my video. I hope you've enjoyed the new look. I hope you are inspired as always, and please do like the video on your way out, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.